What's the reason for this checkpoint, this particular checkpoint? Why this checkpoint? Why this checkpoint? When they always block road, harass people, collect money from people. People where they go farm. People where they go farm. Why this checkpoint, sir? What is the reason for this checkpoint? My name is Mc Okirika. What is the reason for this checkpoint? Yes, we want to see the DPO. Want to know the reason for this checkpoint. And have the IG not said when you are on duty, you should be on your uniform and your name tag? Yes, that's what I came for. As a policeman, how? Who told you that? Who told you that this shows? Who told you that this shows that you are a policeman? Okay, move this paper. Who told you? Who told you? And okay, why were you harassing that boy? Why were you beating that boy? Why were you beating the boy that was going to farm? Yet, some days back, why were you beating the boy that was going to farm? And what are you holding on your hand? What are you holding as a policeman? What are you holding? You are the one harassing people. You are the one holding. You are the one holding Indian hem in your hand. Abi? You are the one harassing people. You are the one holding Indian hem on your hand. Abi? As a policeman. Now show me. Look at you. Putting Indian hem on your. Look at you. Look at a police officer. A police officer. A police officer with Indian hem on your hand. And you are the one harassing people. Okay? You want to know the reason of this checkpoint? Yes. No, I want to know the reason of this checkpoint. I will not go to station. And this checkpoint will not hold you again. I'm not coming. What is the reason for this checkpoint? A police with Indian hem. A policeman with Indian hem. A policeman, you are holding Indian hem. And you are the one harassing people. I want you to video. Yes, that's very okay. Video me. Were you supposed to be on Mufti as a police officer? On Mufti harassing people? You people are holding Indian. Look at the police officers. The police officers. Show your face, let the IG see you. The police officer. Oga, that 150,000 you people collected from that boy, we want it back. We want it back. Why is this man holding Indian hem? Why is a police officer with Indian hem? A police officer. Look at him, he's the one fighting. Indian hem. I want to see what your DPO can do. Who told you that they cannot video you? Last time, I go teach you what. What is the problem? What is the problem? What is the problem? Okay.